Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 25th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the background color attribute that you can use with several elements in HTML. Now this is the table that we constructed in the last tutorial when we met the table tag in HTML, and it's different in the sense that we have different background colors for the 4 rows in the table, and rest everything is the same, the values or the heading or the title. So let me show you guys the code behind the page, and this is what it is. So you have the doc type declaration on line number 1, and then between the opening and closing HTML tags you have the head section, the body section. The body section has the heading for the document on line number 7 between the opening and closing h1 tags, and the heading is tables in HTML. And then you have the table tag on line number 8. The border for the table is 1 pixel in thickness, cell padding 1 pixel, cell spacing 1 pixel. And then we have the BG color attribute that I have used with the first row as well as the other rows actually, but then the first row has the value green for the BG color attribute, and you can use the BG color attribute with the other tags as well. So let's say you want to have an orange background for the entire page, so you can use the BG color attribute with the body element here. So I'll go to body tag on line number 6. I'll give a space after the word body, type in BG color, the equal to symbol, and then I'll type in orange here. Right, I'll save the file and I'll refresh it in my browser, and there we go. We have the orange background for the entire page. So what I mean to say is that you can use a BG color attribute with a lot of different elements in HTML, and you can have different background colors. So let's come back to the table. So I have used the BG color attribute with the first row on line number 9, and I have given the background color green to the first row, and similarly I've given the background color yellow to the second row, and that is for the TR tag on line number 14. And then I have given the background color blue for the third row. I've given the background color pink for the fourth row over here. Right, on line number 24 I have the opening and closing, I have the opening TR tag, and then I have the closing TR tag for the last row on line number 28. So that's it for this tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys that you can change the background color for different parts of your web page by using the BG color attribute. And these days mostly people use CSS to change background color and everything, and the BG color attribute is not used much actually. So but anyway, this is a feature of HTML, so that's why I discussed it with you, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.